Hello everyone, welcome to Ammu Simple Maths for Class 10 CBSE Mathematics. This is Amudavalli, your Maths teacher. In today's session, I am going to solve question number 14, that is from your NCERT exercise 5.3, chapter 5, arithmetic progressions. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. Sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. So now we have to make AP from the given data between 0 and 50 means the first number 0 and the last number 50. Both you should exclude. So therefore AP formed for the given data will be by excluding 0 and 50. You all know odd numbers will be ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like that. So 0 you are excluding and 50 you are excluding. So AP formed will be 1, 3, 5 and so on. So 50 before, that is 49. Okay. Here what is the first term? A equal to 1. And D you all know odd numbers and even numbers they differ by 2. The common difference is A2 minus A1, that is the common difference is 2. And the last term L equal to 49. Okay. Now we are asked to find out sum Sn. If we want to make use of the Sn formula, we need n also. How many terms are there? See in the same exercise 5.3, the previous questions 12 and 13, we have found out the sum for the numbers multiples of 8 and multiples of 6 like that. Those questions and all, how many terms mentioned in the question? Here it's not mentioned. So we have to find out how many terms are there in this AP 1 to 49, 135 up to 49. So Sn equal to n by 2, first term and last term. N by 2 into the sum of first term and last term formula we can make use and we can solve this question. But we have to find n. Okay. If want to find n means we know that nth term of an, that is given by the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. An means here the last term L only. So therefore we can write a plus n minus 1 into d equal to L. So we can substitute the value. A is 1 plus n minus 1 and d is 2. L is 49. So n minus 1 into 2 equal to this plus 1 transposed to the right side. 49 minus 1 is 48. So n minus 1 multiplied by 2. So we should divide both the sides by 2. So n minus 1 equal to 48 by 2 is 24. Here n minus 1 is 24. So this minus 1 when goes to the right side plus 1. Therefore n equal to 24 plus 1 equal to 25. So we have obtained the answers for number of terms. N is 25. So in the AP formed there are 25 terms are there. So we can substitute Sn is in the place of n. There are 25 terms. So S25 equal to 25 by 2. We are making use of the formula Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus L. 25 by 2. A is 1 and L is the last term, that is 49. So that gives you 25 by 2. 49 plus 1 is 50. So 2 ones are and 25 twos are 50. 2 25s are 50. So now we have to find out the product. 25 square is, you all know, that is 625. Hence S25 equal to 625. So the sum of the odd numbers, between 0 and 50 equal to 625. This is the required answer. See, it's a very important question. Board exam point of view, it's a very important. Please practice more questions on this model. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. And also your valuable comments, your valuable feedback also in the comment section. And also click the bell icon to receive my daily update.